Hi everyone, it's Rich from Upload Security, and today I'm going to teach you how to create a share folder between VM Workstation 16 and Kali 2022.1. First you need to go to your VM, then go to your virtual machine settings, go to options, go to share folders. We are going to always enable, and let's add the folder we would like to share. I simply just created a folder on my desktop called share. Hit OK. Its name is share. Next, enable the share. Some people like to use the read-only option so the VM can't make changes to the share and to make sure nothing gets deleted. I choose not to because I want to be able to transfer files both ways. So, and we'll hit finish. We'll hit OK, and we'll start up our virtual machine. Since this is a default Kali box, password and username are both Kali. Next, we will run Vmware HGFS client. That'll show us the available shares. Next, let's make a directory and the mount directory called HGFS, and then we're gonna name it shared. Oh, file already exists. Good. Since that already exists, if it doesn't exist for you, you can just simply create it. If it doesn't let you because you don't have the right permissions, remember to sudo. Next, we're going to use sudo vmhgfs tag fuse .host / the folder we are sharing. So share, that's the folder on my desktop, and we're going to link it to mount HGFS shared, the folder we created. Give it the allow other with the UID 1000. Oops, sorry. Equal 1000. Next, let's go find the folder. And there's shared. So next, all we have to do, so what I'd like to do is easier. Control Shift, click, drop it on the desktop. It'll give us a link. An easy shortcut. So we go into our share folder. We'll create a new text document of test. Let's see if it shows up in our share. It worked. Awesome. And that's just my quick short guide on how to do this. I will also leave links in the description for how to do this as well if this video isn't that informative to you. And that's everything. Thank you for watching.